Hello everyone, happy Friday. So the dogs are out playing in the snow, and off in the distance somewhere there's dogs barking. But it is the start of a storm here. So they're stretching their legs, out playing, using the bathroom before they head back indoors. But they're having such a wonderful day. Winter's doing a lot better now too. He's not as nervous now that it's snowing more. He's getting used to it, which is great, and realizing it's not like his old home where he's kept outdoors. Hey, buddy. Hear all the doggies? Oh my goodness. And you guys are all right quiet. Good job. But we're soon getting ready now to head to Oh, Aspen's going to let out some play barks. Hey, Aspen. Yeah. But we're soon going to get ready to head to Kent here now. We got to pick up some electrical stuff for the kitchen area to clear that up. Ryan's going to be doing that stuff, which is great. That way that's done, so we can then move on to drywall and stuff. But again, like I said, they're all doing absolutely amazing here today. Nella is done her heat, but her and Ariel are still inside. They didn't want to come out. And Layla's still in her heat, and she's indoors as well. Oh my goodness. Like, watch. Mine are up here playing. Not a peep. And then you got dogs off in the distance all barking, and oh my. Careful. Aspen might bark though, I'm curious. Let's see if he barks. Oh, there we go. He likes to play bark. Don't touch her. Hi, Winter. Look at your nose. Let me see your little nose. Oh, no, he wants to play. Never mind. Careful now, Max. You're a lot smaller than them. Careful. There's Kenai. Hi, Kenai. Are you liking the snow? Hi. Hi, Aspen. Oh, that's laminate though. Oh no. Just slipped. Oh my goodness, I just slipped. Now, be nice. Alright, everyone, we are back. A lot more snow has fallen. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was too funny. Be careful. Hey, hey, hey. Don't play rough now, okay? I know you're all excited and you're liking the snow, but you gotta be careful too, okay? I don't want any of you getting hurt over rough play. Oh my. What are you guys doing? What do you think? A lot more snow now. Hey, Claire. What is it, Claire? Yeah, excited and happy. Look at your face. Oh, yeah, Max. Oh, careful. Winter. What do you think, Winter? Go, Winter. Run, Winter. They're coming. Go, Winter. Look at Max. He's getting quick. Oh, Claire. Oh, careful. Don't be mean. Careful. Oh, that's a lot of snow in. It's cold. Well, I'm cold now because I fell in it. My hands and everything. Is it fun, Aspen? Yeah? What are you doing? Hi, Ariel. Now. Ooh, now I'm cold. I don't know about you guys, but I'm heading back in. It's too cold. You guys still coming in? Did you want to come back inside now? It's cold. We're gonna head back in now, okay? Because it's way too cold. That's your water, yes. I'd say it's all frozen. Come on. We'll get some other water in here because that water is all frozen. All right. Now let's go outside with Layla and Claire's out again. Ariel's got in and the rest are got in. Oh my goodness, Layla. Are you excited and happy to be in the snow? It's really starting to come down now. Is it fun, Layla? Hi, Nala. Hi. Woo, that's cold. Oh, Layla cleaned herself while she's still in heat. You'll soon be done, girly. Nala's all done. You'll soon be done as well. Did you want to head back in? It's cold, isn't it? Come on, let's go in then. You can bring your ball. Come on. Heading in, Claire? You were out earlier with the boys. Let's go, princess. All right, everyone. It's 7 o'clock in the night. The dogs are just out using the bathroom. And oh my goodness. Look at the snow. Oh my goodness. Ariel's laid down in the snow. Ariel, what are you doing, girly? You're getting comfy. You're soon coming back in, my dear. You're just out to use because the weather is miserable. Oh my. All right, Layla and Nala are out now, and of course, Ariel stayed out. But she'll be coming in as soon as the girls come in. What are you doing? Using the bathroom. A lot of snow, isn't it? Come on, Ariel, you gotta come in now, honey. Come on, you can't stay out. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next video. The electrical has been started in the new kitchen area, and I am extremely excited because I know that drywall is going to be next. Again, thank you again for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye now.